guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am playing with milk bottle caps, vintage milk bottle caps. These are so fun. These happen to be chocolate drink caps, but yeah, these are so cool. I actually have these for sale in my shop in sets of 10. So you can go and check that out if you're interested. The link is in the description box below, and I will try to remember to link it at the very end of the video, right in the video. But yeah, I just started playing around and I created these little clusters, and I'm making these for my Christmas journals. But I thought I would also make up a few extra and sell them already, you know, sort of decorated as well. So you will be able to find the decorated ones in my shop as well. So what, you know, you might be thinking, what in the world would I use this for, right? You can use these in a ton of ways. If you have the cluster, right, you can use it as a tag topper. So this is a tag that my lovely friend Dee Dee made. Hi, Dee Dee. So, you know, you can add it to the top of the tag and it just, you know, makes it even more gorgeous. You can use them on envelope flaps, or you could glue them underneath right here and make it, you know, like to hold the flap down. I've also added, sometimes I've added elastic to these, and you can use them as journal closures. That's fun. You can also add them on the edge of a journal page and make, you know, use them as like a tab, or you can just, you know, put them on a page as a decoration. So those are just a few ideas of what you can do with these. And you don't have to have them, you know, made into clusters. You can just use them just the way they are. But because these have red print on them, I thought they would be perfect for Christmas right now. So let's go ahead and make one. These are super easy to make. And, you know, they don't take very long at all. So what I started with was some of this eyelet trim. And then I took a piece of red doily. We'll go this way for this one. How about that? And then I have just some various Christmassy sort of ribbon here. So let's just cut a piece of that. And so that you have the pretty side showing on, you know, like you could just do this, right? And it's honestly not that much different. Let me give you an example with this ribbon. So my scissors are sticky. So you've got the pretty polka dots on the one side, right? But then the other side is plain. So that's fine. You can just do this and have, you know, both sides showing. Or if you take it and just sort of like pleat it here in the middle. I obviously can't do it slowly. There we go. So you just sort of pleat it, and that's not going to show anyway. And then you get both sides, or both of them are pretty. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Anyway, so let me try it again. So I'm just taking it and pleating it over. That's the word I'm using. It's probably not the correct word, but anyway, then we're going this way for this one. What I did was I just, I stapled this all together, right? So I just make sure that I have everything there together. And then I just glued on the milk cap, and I used fabric glue for this since we're kind of gluing to fabric. and then you just glue that down. Now I added on this one, I added the word December, but I think, let's see, I mean, it doesn't matter. I've got, these are just some Tim Holtz words that I have. So let's go ahead, we can add, let's do holly, or you know what, I'm sort of struggling to get holly off of there. Let's do Mary. Ink, there it is. So yeah, you see how quick this is? I mean, that was probably like less than 5 minutes to put that together, right? Super cool. And then you've got an adorable little decoration with a vintage, you know, vintage flair, we'll call it. And let's just put it on this side this time. There we go. Let me make sure that's gluing. I think it is. There we go. So we have another one. Super fast, right? All right. All right, let's just keep going. So I hope you're all having a good day. I think we'll do this one a bit different. I'm still going to use this as my sort of background because I think it works pretty well. Right, and then maybe we will use some of this green lace. Not sure how I want to do it yet, but yeah, I think that'll look cute behind there. Let's see, do we need the red doily? Let's try and see what we think. And you can do the same thing. This lace is ruffly, but you can, you know, you can do that pleating thing the same with this as with the ribbon. It just might be a little more difficult to kind of force it to do what you want. But I honestly, I don't mind. Well, no, actually I do mind. I don't like how that looks, so I will pleat it. But let's see, do we want, yeah, I think I kind of like that. So I'm going to go ahead and staple that. Go. And then that can sit right on top. I love these. They are so fun. And you know, obviously you don't have to do a Christmas theme with these. You can use these all year round for all kinds of projects. They don't have to be Christmas related. Let's see, let's do, I'm just looking at my words. Let's go ahead and put holly on this one if I can get it off of the sheet. There we go. Just holding this for a minute because it's got a lot to stick to. Fabric glue is getting a little low, so flip it on its side there so it doesn't take as long to get it to come out. There we go. Super cute. Oh, I love these so much. All right, let's go ahead and do one more because I have 4 journals, Christmas journals. Whoops. Yikes, that was loud. Sorry about that. And then I will do the other 6 that I have here. I will do on my own, and I will have them listed in sets of 3. So there will be two sets of 3. Let's go ahead, and you'll be able to find those in my shop right now. Now this is the same front and back, so we don't need to worry too much about how it's orientated. That's a word, right? All right. There we go. And let's see, what word do we want to put on this one? Let's do festive. And we can use the Bearly Art glue for this. It doesn't have to be fabric glue. There we go. So that was what? Probably about 10 to 12 minutes of actual work, right? And I made 3 of them in that time. And then I had one that was already made. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working because I think these are super cute. And like I said, you'll be able to find the blank or the plain ones in sets of 10. And then I will decorate 6 of them and list 2 sets of those that will be very similar to the ones here. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and shoot me a comment too. I like to hear what you guys think. You know, I like to know what you guys think. Yeah. All right. You have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.